I'd like to thank Congressman Betty McCollum for stepping up because this is an important issue. These are Minnesotans. These are Minnesotans that are impacted. This is a human rights issue, and we need to bring Mr. Mohammed home. So I want to thank Congressman McCullough and urge the rest of our delegation to look at this, urge the Secretary of State to literally look at this because these are human rights violations, and it matters to us because this is a Minnesotan resident who needs to come home here and be with his family. So we urge them to please help bring him home. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Dziedich, and you reiterated what Senator Abler said. It's time for Dad to come home. I don't think there's anything else we can say except this is a Minnesota. That is a one Minnesota, and one of our own Minnesotans is not here. It's time to bring him home. And so with that, I want to thank everybody. Senator Eaton, thank you so much for your steadfast support in what we're doing and being just an absolute a gem in this. Senator Abler, for your steadfast support. Senator Fong He, you as well. Just amazing to have you, my colleagues, to be in this discussion and this fight together. And Senator Dziedich, yes, we didn't think we would have to do another resolution, but we did. And now can we at least get folks out in the public to get a hold of your